Welcome to my channel. In this video we'll talk about differences between CLISH mode and expert mode. In the checkpoint CLI environment known as CLISH, there is a limitation. It lacks built-in search or filter functionality. This can be a hurdle when trying to quickly find specific information or process command outputs directly within CLISH. However, this limitation can be overcome by switching to expert mode, which provides access to the underlying Linux operating system and its powerful command line tools. So for example, here is this called show interface ETH0, for example. This called, when we see this sign, this called a CLISH mode. Expert mode is when we use the expert command and we log in as expert. When we see this sign, this is the expert mode. Expert mode in Checkpoint allows users to execute Linux commands, offering greater flexibility and functionality compared to CLISH. This includes the ability to chain multiple commands together using, for example, pipes. A pipe is this sign. So for example, we can take the PSAUX. This command PSAUX shows us all processes running on the machine. So what if we want to show only this nobody, these lines? So we can take a pipe sign and use the command grep and then only nobody. This way we will only show the lines that includes the word nobody. The pipe sign pipes the output of this command PSAUX to the next command, which is grep. And grep is used for searching plain text data sets for lines matching a specific pattern. So in this example we searched for nobody and we got only the lines that starts with nobody. Another interesting command in expert mode is cut. So cut is a command line utility used for extracting sections from each line of input files or pipe data. It is commonly used for working with delimited data. So we can take an example here. So for example, if we look at this file, cat etc pass wd. So this file, what if we need only to see the names of users here? In this case we can use the cut command like this. So pipe, first we pipes this cut d dash d colon dash f1. So this way we now see only the names of the users. We can look at what all these so for example, if we look here, this dash d means specifies the delimiter as a colon. So it leaves this colon as a delimiter, and the f selects the first field, this field, before the first colon. So first field before the colon. So this is a very powerful tool that can be used in scripting. So a question now, can we run CLISH commands on expert mode? Yes, we can, but we need to use the CLISH command. So it is like this, CLISH -c as command, and then you can double quotes and you use the command. So for example, show date, and now we see that it runs the command. But in expert mode, we can run many CLISH commands at the same line. So for example, CLISH -c show date, we can use a semicolon and run another command, CLISH c double quotes show time, for example. Again, semicolon, CLISH -c show configuration. And now at the same line we can use the pipe. So pipe and grep, for example, ETH0, the interface. So we can test this. So now it won on one line, so we can see the date, the time, and the extracted information about the ETH1 from the running configuration. So this is a very powerful. You can try on it. Okay, this was for this video. So thank you for watching and see you next time.